right. Well, it's morning time again. Got our fire going. We got one kid that still has to come out, so the wife's getting him going, and then after that, that means I get coffee. She makes coffee and I make breakfast. Breakfast this morning, well, we got some apple cobbler left from the night before, and I think we're gonna take that and we're gonna do an apple cobbler stuffed French toast. Yeah, we've never done it before, but it sounds good. I've taken a lot of the leftover apple cobbler in the mornings before, and I just fry it up next to the eggs. It's actually really good fried up on the flat top. We're gonna do that again this morning. I'm like, let's just try something different. So we're gonna give her a shot, and I'll let you know how it turns out. You two ready?
Yeah.
All right, first thing we gotta do, we got what's left of our apple cobbler. So we got big chunks of apple. Here you go, Groot. We got big chunks of apple in there. We gotta kind of break them up a little bit, and plus the crust gets a little hard, so we gotta break that up a little bit. We don't want huge chunks in our French toast. All right, Wyatt, take those two knives and start slicing her up. There you go, just keep slicing her up. Kind of saw at it a little bit. Okay. While you're doing that, we're gonna need some cinnamon that we didn't grab. Let me go grab that. So we need some cinnamon, we need some eggs, and we need a little bit of milk.
And bread?
And bread. We definitely need bread. So I get our eggs in our bowl, and then you guys can get to stirring them up.
Me too. I don't feel any drunk.
We do about 6 eggs and probably about a 1/4 cup of milk. Yeah. And cracking that. Where's our fork at? What do you do with our fork?
Not on the ground.
Oh, I got it. Maybe I could try to break these eggs without getting some shells in it. Don't worry, people. We're not all perfect.
Na, na, na.
Put a little splash of cinnamon in there. Whoa, watch your face. Maybe a little bit more. I like cinnamon. There we go.
I like it.
Do ya?
Yeah. My dad like
Yep.
No.
Okay, get to stirring it up. Here, use your fork, Wyatt. Shake that off. Try not to get your brother all dirty. Here. See your hand. There you go. It all stirred up. Now let me move it back a little bit. Don't spill it, because that is all we got. Oh, it'll probably be spilled. You guys got it all done?
Yeah.
Let me look. Let me see your spoon. We're going to need that for another piece of this project.
Can I wipe my fork off?
I can tell you what. No matter where we go sit, that smoke from the fire's got to blow right in our faces, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Think that happens at every campsite? Probably.
No, how about we just sit in our seats and try not to spit?
Well, you guys darn near got it where it needed to be. There we go.
Yellow!
Yeah, it's yellow. Now watch this, Wyatt. Get out of the camera. You gotta smash down the center.
Can I start doing it?
Yep. Smash that center down. Here you go, Cash.
I pushed it down.
Okay. Let me get the camera a little bit closer.
I pushed it down.
Yeah, you're pushed down. Let me see that. A little bit more. Cash is gonna have his beat to death. See that? See how it's smashed down?
Yeah. My camera.
Basically just want to make a little bowl with that bread.
My camera.
All right, here you go. You want to do another piece, Cash?
Yeah.
Can we not drop the spoon for the 10th time this morning?
Yeah.
Oh.
Come on. I eat it.
No, don't eat it yet. Can't you wait until we cook stuff before you eat it? Let's see it. Set it back down.
That's my camera.
Want to do another one?
Yeah. I
Okay.
do.
Oh, you can do it. You can do it. My independent children here.
Am I done, Dad?
Let me get the edges for you.
Okay.
Let's see that.
My daddy! My daddy. Are me and Cash doing 4?
You got, yeah. Well, we got it. We need 8 total.
That got good way.
You want me to help you on that one?
No.
No, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, I need that pushed down and that pushed down.
Okay. My daddy. My daddy. My
Good job.
I did it. Me too.
Here, whoa, Cash. Let's, hey, whoa. Can we, hey.
Like it.
Oh, you want another one? Can we finish this one? Yeah?
Like it.
Okay, do that one then.
I like it.
Oh, do ya?
Yeah.
Hey, get it pushed down. You got the hill. No one's gonna eat that. Takes a special person to eat the hill on the bread.
Good.
Yeah, I want my coffee.
I want coffee
Oh, you
milk.
two are not getting coffee.
Can I have coffee milk? I want coffee milk.
Breakfast.
Done.
Got a spoonful of sugar and you kids are like just crazy maniacs. I couldn't even imagine you two on coffee. Ugh. Hey, he's got one. I don't think we'll be using that one, but hey, get yours finished up. You're doing a great job. Keep it up. I know, that smoke from that fire is brutal, isn't it? We might have to finish the next process in a different location. Because that's just... Should we move?
Yeah.
Let's move to a different spot. All right. Now that we've moved our studio filming location here and we're not getting destroyed with the smoke, let's finish this bad boy up. Cash is so hungry, he's just eating bread. All right, Wyatt. Where's your spoon at?
Here.
Okay. Take a spoon. You gotta take a spoonful of this and put it in there. Scoop it up and put it in there. Let me help you. Get another spoonful. Probably not as much. Let's do like half of that. There you go. Now kind of smash it in there. Spread it out like it's jelly.
It's kind of easier with a knife.
Is it?
Yeah.
And with two of us doing it, maybe?
Mm-hmm.
Teamwork makes the dream work, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, kind of push that down like that. Boom, one's done. Same thing over again. You get it? Put it in there. Come on, hurry up. Let me help you. One more scoop.
What?
Yep. Plop it on in there. Help me spread it out. Oh.
Yeah.
All right, put the other piece of bread on top of it. Oh, that's the one we already did, Wyatt. Why don't you say something? Groot? Groot, would you quit getting underneath the camera? You're 100 pounds. Get over here. You're not gonna fit. All right, flop it up there. Again. Got it? All right, another big scoop. Flop her on in there.
Can I eat this off the spoon?
After we're done, then you can lick all the spoons you want to lick. But can we not have lick spoons to do this? At the beginning, maybe? Maybe we do that after we're off camera. Huh?
Of this?
Sure. Oh, eat that. There you go. Did you get some now?
Yeah.
Let's knock one more of these out. You like this videoing? Big box.
Whatever, I don't care. Here you go. It's a battle for you guys.
Nope, that one could go a different spot. We'll put it right there. The joys of kids. The constant battle with two boys that never ends. things, when they decide they're going to be done, they're instantly done.
Who wants syrup and powdered sugar?
Who wants your breakfast covered in sugar, kid? Take what's left over and make some scrambled eggs. I like cooking on nice level ground. Campsite. Yeah. Just kind of does what it wants to do. That's all there's to it. All right, that's what she looks like all done. Looks good, smells good. I haven't tasted it yet. What about you two? You guys have already scarfed it down. Was it good?
Yeah.
What do you think, Wyatt? Was it good?
They're not hot. Can I watch this the whole entire time?
No, just enough to see me make a reaction on if it's good or not.
I already tried the apple.
Is it worth it?
Not a little.
It's pretty good.
And that one.
Definitely has a very candy-ish breakfast flavor. Oh, I get. We're doing it again. It's a keeper.
See, I told you it'd be yummy.
Oh, you told me it'd be yummy?
Yeah.
It's pretty yummy. What are cinnamon scrambled eggs taste like? Those might just be for the kids. The cinnamon really isn't that strong. It really kind of tastes just like regular old scrambled eggs. Oh, because we're in the middle of eating? It's like the only time you gotta go, ain't it? Go then. Pretty darn good.